Ishwar's name. Respect the Ishwars, respect the Ishwars, respect the Ishwars. When you take the name of Ishwars, you will be quite Shanto. Your mind will be Shanto. Your mind will be Prasanto. You will be full of joy. And why? Ishwar is Anandadham. Ishwar's name is Anandadham. Ishwar is Anandamoy. When you take the Ishwar's name, your mind will be Anandamoy. When you take the Ishwar's name, your tongue will be Anandamoy. Sad will be Anandamoy. Your body sad, body sad will be Anandamoy. You will be Anandamoy. Prasantimoy. Out of Klantimoy. So, take this Ishwar's name, practice from that, and name and job this Ishwar's name. You will find all that, and you will understand about the Anandamaya Ishwar. Anandamaya, Satchidananda. His name is Sat, Chit and Ananda. He is Anandamaya. And when you name the Ishwar's name, your body will be Ananda, your mind will be Ananda, your heart will practice. When you job the name, all will be vanished, finished, all will be dukkha, kashta, all will be finished. And Ananda will be established. So, name the Ishwar's name, name the Ishwar's name, name the Ishwar's name.